These are not just ordinary step drills. These are Duramax coated step drills, meaning they have undergone a special coating process and are now Duramax coated step drills. So in addition to the magenta color of these drills, Duramax step drills are harder than standard step drills that are made of high-speed steel. So they will work harder in metals and will last longer in milder metals and wood. They have a lower coefficient of friction, which is just a fancy way of saying that they are more slippery, which in turn means that the coolant requirements are greatly reduced or even eliminated. The Duramax coating also increases the wear characteristics of the tool for better performance in abrasive materials. Finally, the Duramax coating isolates the tool from the part being drilled to reduce edge buildup, oxidation, and tool failure. Aside from the coating, these step drills have 3-sided shanks so they won't slip in the chuck, and there is a 2-flute design for improved penetration speed, for perfect hole making and enlarging in sheet metal, wood, plastic, and other thin materials. The different steps or hole sizes are clearly marked on the flute of each drill. Also, most of the Duramax step drills have a 135-degree split point for fast, sure starts and to eliminate the need for pilot holes. All these features add up to a 6 to 10 times life increase over traditional step drills. TIFCO offers 6 sizes of these Duramax coated step drills. Part number 51406 creates holes from 1/8 to 1/2 inch in 1/32 inch increments. Part number 51407 covers from 3/16 to 1/2 of an inch in 1/16 increments. 51408 is for 1/4 to 3/4 inch holes with a 1/16 inch step. 51409 covers 3/16 to 7/8 inch sized holes in 1/16 inch increments. Part number 51421 creates holes from 1/4 inch to 1 3/8 inch holes with a 1/16 inch step. And finally, part number 51423 is for a 13/16 to an inch and 3/8 sized holes with 1/16 inch steps. There are also 2 sets available. Part number 51449 is a 4-piece set that includes the 4 smallest step drills, and part number 51448 includes all 6 sizes.